Hello everyone, thank you for joining me for another YouTube video. My name is Crypto Fraser, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Algorand optimizer and how you can start using it for yourself. Now, a little bit about the optimizer. I'd heard about it a few times on Facebook and on the internet sort of thing, but I didn't really know how. It sounded like a good idea, but I didn't really know how to get it working for myself sort of thing. So what I did was I went onto Reddit and I found the post by the guy that created the optimizer, and the post says, I have been building this over the last few weeks and beta testing with a few members of the community. I felt it was time to open it up to everyone. There might still be a few rough edges here and there, but the core functionality, it will be fixing issues over time and probably adding some features that a few people have suggested. Looking forward to people's feedback. And here we have the link. So I clicked this link here and it took me to this page here. Now, this is the Algorand optimizer page, and welcome to ALGO optimizer. To optimize staking, it is important to compound your balance. If you have a buy and hold strategy, you need to periodically update your balance on the blockchain so that your staking reward is based on your current balance. To facilitate these updates, a zero Algorand ALGO transaction must be sent to your wallet, which will add your staking rewards to your wallet and start compounding with that new higher balance. Now, initially, when I bought Algorand, I just bought it on Coinbase and I was staking on there, and that was fine. But then I moved it over to Algorand wallet, and I didn't realize that you needed to send a zero algo transaction to compound your staking rewards. So initially I just got around that because I was dollar cost averaging into Algorand. So every week I would buy on Coinbase and send that over to my Algorand wallet, and it would compound that way. However, this seems, apparently is a more efficient and a better way. You get a better reward rate because the Algorand wallet, if you just left it, apparently the reward rate is something like 5.65%. Whereas if you're using the Algorand optimizer, then you get a reward rate of 5.9%. So yeah, so that's why it's worthwhile doing. So I've already done this, by the way. But ALGO, it was really easy to use, and it literally took a couple of minutes to do, and I kind of was planning on making this video, but I thought, I'll just look into it, and then ended up following the steps, and it was literally a 2-step process, and that was it done. So step 1 was to get started. Well, we'll start here. Getting started. To get started using the service, there is a 1-step process with optional 2nd step. Attention Coinbase users, this service is probably not going to help things much. The official wallet is and would be a good choice to use in conjunction with this service. So step 1, send a 1 algo to the address below, and momentarily you will see a deposit of 0 algo confirming your participation. So I went onto my phone, into my Algorand wallet, and pressed send, and then sent a 1 algo and scanned the QR code here, and that went through. That was fine. And then after that, the step 2, which is apparently optional, you have to enter your Algorand wallet address down here. So I just copied and pasted and put it in there, and then pressed view history. So after doing that, it took me to this page here. Okay, optimizer. There we go. Yeah. View history. There we go. Sorry, guys. It took me off that page. Yeah, so over on this corner, you can see my wallet address, and then the remaining balance for compounding is 0.99 algo. So I'm guessing it's already sent through 1 transaction, and it uses 0.001 of an algo to send these transactions. And yeah, so you can see my balance here, and then it tells you the best compounding schedule would be 4 days, 16 hours and 23 minutes. So, and it also gives you my current lifetime staking rewards. That's 17 Algo. That's since I started using the Algorand wallet, the official wallet. And yeah, so, and that was it, guys, as easy as that. So if you, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to the Algorand optimizer link from Reddit in the description for this video. So if you want to try it out for yourselves, I would recommend it, and it was easy enough to do for me. So yeah, go ahead and try, guys. It'll be in the description for this video. So if you like this video, give it a like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and bye for now.